Ebusia over the weekend birthday bi ekoso ewo Ghana na sa birthday we ene besinne enkofo ka ho asem obebusa se eye hwan birthday ye guy ni din e de Richard ni Armah Quaye osi wadi 40 years na 40 years birthday we die emse bi nsi wo baby ada minim se hu bi da na mi sumi hu bi da enya asem kito birthday ye di wo Independence Square what be da aha let's talk ghtrends and any first time I put into a video make sure to subscribe and me no click on notification bell so for latest updates and follow Facebook as let's talk ghtrends and TikTok so as let's talk ghtrends share video we am afra be share any comments be awon waja e comment section ho e de amame ebusia yet Ghana just say ai Ghana de bia so for ba ade ba ko na te so obi ani nane se obi betimi adi birthday no aka se me Independence Square ma je ho nyina me di bedi me birthday ada national cake eya sab kitom Richard ni Armah Quaye birthday na wodi ni weekend we ni die chese edutwem chese birthday na ukọ wo hye deko wo hye chese sessions chese ya chechemo udu Independence Square hodom na wo say we are chese ya ma invite mo ba birthday na udu hodom a obi a ne baby a wokotena first session na ye aqua session na hodom no for actors celebs what I say we movie we known na just popular enye nkwankwa actors bia dabi na just ho ana abakwa kotena ene nude session so for friends and family enye obi akeke wonye na adamfo chochomucho anasa wonye ne busiani a onko ho ansa na wo rest session for TikTokers ho ana any influencers na TikTokers na we nimu omu wo Ghana no na ho so ode ema wo mu na enyasem kito chese birthday we die enya dignitaries enyasem kito a yehu obi te say Dr. Kwame despite ewo ho onini nua Dr. Ofori Sapon East Legon Executive Fan Club omu nyina akọ ho na chese se nyankura mu kura o na ene oba musicians dia ene yehu obi te say Davido yehu obi te sesa akode yehu Stone Boy enya ksem geto chese na birthday ni de boss siso ankasa ene actresses de Iniedo Rita Dominic ene actors Ramsey Noah chese chese to na wo hwa wa unya invite ni video wa ko hwe wadi so ade na wa wo te back door de wo fa wo phone na hu ase asa amafo we ska nipa wa to private jet de birthday na ye de ata say nti birthday ni de na chese danka se ne artist perform a chese enya sem ke so ade yen hwe some of the performances a course wo honum ata say ebusia na wa share performance na je say enye nkura mu kra je say nipa bebre ba yo me kasa me bubodi na ye nwie can promise efia sister efia sefa kwam Eugene el je say honorable Baba Sadek unim no say when him MP for Quaye Central onu kra ba ho bi na say ai chale enye easy na say birthday ni de na boss si so pam na question ba kwa ne nkofo bisa say yenim se baby ho odede na nka Shatta ho what I say Shatta when Shatta beba Shatta ma Shatta beba because you Stone Boy right you say akode Shatta beba Shatta ma from you Shatta Wale na eno na Ghana for the bisa say is it that ya ma Shatta Wale invite ana say na Shatta Wale na empese obeba ana problem bi wo ho se wonimu a enye mbetwirem say Richard ni Armah Quaye a wodi ni birthday no ne godfather nipa ba akọ a holding ni high esteem Dr. Kwame Despite de onfani ni agro cry nunti ani hu no wo birthday na se no na eno na nkofo link to say the fact say Shatta Wale are disrespected Dr. Kwame Despite pen no eno nti ana me omusha Richard entimi amfa Shatta Wale amasho ni so what I say one fana man birthday na se sa na nkofo kan but ebi so ka say ebi so asika na oboy no na eso de ma Richard enti na wentia no because obi bisa say dey nkwa na Shatta Wale be ya metia such amount But before then, before the birthday, Shatta Wale post our year no same. Anyway, you see me this weekend, say I dey perform. No say $600K enter account. Anna oye ni Royce. Engineer say Shatta Wale asoma obe posting ni say mimi no weekend we no me say me perform me wo be bia kai na dwene hunu say $600,000 eram account na che say wa gisa pay no ansa na obe perform eno na ngofo ka say ana no tisi no man fe Shatta Wale no because according to a list ayenya no tresem even the video yetia nka $500,000 diamond platinums one of what say Aqua performing I will say yes or perform honestly yetia ni say $600,000 so akode $200,000 Stonebwoy edge $200,000 what I say eti go for busa say na wo no Stonebwoy ni sa akode edge $200,000 adeti na wo Shatta Wale wo beka say wo je $600,000 eni omo sha eminti na yamfa Shatta Wale anyede ama ho ebi mu so say enye eminti a de course ene say Kwame despite Dr. Kwame despite na Shatta Wale didi na tem some time back no enuntia because untimi me disrespect my godfather now mommy baby ase me performing on top of say I will still pay you what I say in some no abeye bebrebe o media ni so amanfo de o muti bubo ma o mo pese obu hu adeko de potre na say Shatta Wale so de e just say the padlock eto na me Shatta na kasa from the horse's own mouth wabe chire de ntia wanko bi
no the space it mean this your principality when your principality mean this. Now, are you happy that you have seen your principality? Well, I pray against powers of darkness. Here, talk for the song side. If they say darkness or powers, that be me. That be me. Mean kabushi. Onya do na you will talk kamishi. Me make me no kabushi. You person me koso. Na me dem me show sa. Me me own koso. Cause mini principality no. The principality. Oh, I pray principality. It be me this. It be me this. But you say you know if you come my house and can't worry me. Principality me this. I pray against, I pray, it me this. Do whatever you want to do. It me this. A day is Legon. Trasako area. As I me this principality. It be me now this. Poor. You come the one inside you worship. Money and you but life, if you so to live life very simple. I buy powder for you. Because you if some matter come no, you won't raise the matter and talk the matter some way, like the matter be some way, and the matter be some see. If they say darkness or powers, they mean it Shatta Wale. Why? My name, like anything where some way, then people won't come and in. And but now you know if you worry principal, you if you worry principal, why you worry principality? You know, say the guy, you know go fit down. The guy you try stop him from what he say you no go stop. Principality say no go stop. Armah, somebody said the baby powder will finish. But now if you finish, I get container. I buy baby powder container. 4 years ago, it's powder that I've been using to kill this powder. Baby powder. Principality, the principality. Oh God, why? But if you say you go through stress, it be me. It be me, Shatta. It be me I did one. Oh, I pray against all my all enemies. I pray, but it's me. I'm here. I am here. So why can't you say you love me? And then I also allow you. I will leave you. Because I have a whole lot of job to do. Plenty people are praying against me. I need to just go and tell them, repent. If you repent, I will leave you. Because you are praying against principality. You people have not seen principality before. Today is your first time in Ghana. The whole world. A principality has revealed itself. Why would you clap for me? So principality will leave you so you can survive in this world. Oh my, 30,495 and 6 and 60 pesos, 90 naira.
Ebusia, Shatawale no na say Shatta so sometimes I go in isu kakra. There's a seriousness na ya na me nim baby to be o de koto. Shatta sometimes as o ye comedy. Anya sem ke so Shatta echire mu amanfo na ayo madwen se o mo sabotage na amanfo sei ni din what I say kofo ekeka ne ho sem na so no oye kai ati obe hanti obi a why wadwe say wo de ne beba from no Shatta no. Now when him say ade bi cause so birthday na say. Even without Shattawale's presence, Shatta was there in spirit. Me say time na asa akode e be perform no. Shattawale na chese baby a yigidi am say hey. Eya sam ketwa wo de ehwebra. So Shattawale is like a spirit, like as a muno, baby mini horn. So my presence is there. What I say, now is a Shattawale there. Then some of the abetu jane say, I'm on fire, my some best sabotage no Ghana has just a video baby piano. And so any Ghana for my mind is a moon appreciate Shattawale bomb. Shatta the message. I break Ghana for. With the many ADNs in which any updates be for Bam, the Rabbit, some make also be follow Facebook. As let's do GH and TikTok so. As let's do GH na share video I'm for Fabrice. Bidding Edna.